Mommy cat says, come my babies, let's learn letters nice and easy. Tap, tap goes her little stick. Let's start learning nice and quick. A to Z song with boardless stick visuals. A is for apple, apple. Mommy cat points at the A, so simple. B is for ball, ball. Baby cats clap, tiny and small. C is for cat, cat. Mommy smiles, yes, we're learning that. D is for drum, drum. Little tails dance, rum, parum, rum. E is for elephant, elephant. Big and strong, says Mommy cat. F is for fish, fish. Baby kittens cheered, yum, our wish. G is for goat, goat. Mommy cat writes notes on the board. H is for hat, hat. One kitten tries wearing it, imagine that. I is for ice, ice. Cool and chilly, oh so nice. J is for juice, juice. Big gulps make their whiskers loose. K is for kite, kite. Flying high in the soft sunlight. L is for leaf, leaf. Mommy cat giggles, learning's not so brief. M is for moon, moon. Baby cats yawn, nap time soon. N is for nest, nest. Feathery, fluffy, the very best. O is for orange, orange. Round and bright, such a lovely scent. P is for pencil, pencil. Tap on the board, learning's essential. Q is for queen, queen. Mommy cat bows, so polite and clean. R is for rain, rain. Pitter patter on the window pane. For sun, sun, warm and golden, learning is fun. T is for tree, tree, tall and green, as pretty as can be. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Baby cats huddle, come together. V is for violin, violin. Strings that sing, let music begin. W is for whale, whale. Splishy splash, waving its tail. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Colorful keys make a happy tone. Y is for yarn, yarn. Kittens roll it from dawn to dawn. Z is for zoo, zoo. Mommy cat says we're done. Woohoo! Mommy cat claps, great job today. You learned your letters the fun cat way. Baby kittens shout, ABC. Learning is fun for you and me.